I have made so much money in this platform, and you can see my withdrawal proof now. I make withdrawals every day in this platform. So if you want to get registered now, you can click on the link in the description of this video. It will take you to this place. Use your email address and create an account, then create your password and get registered. So I'm going to log in now since I already have an account in this platform. Make sure you stay with me. Let me show you how you can make money every day from this platform. So once you get registered, you're going to see this pop up here. You see different level, enjoy different benefits. So just click on cancel and you can see the features of this platform. As you can see, recharge, you see withdraw, you see help, team, event, introduction, telegram, and app download. In case if you need the app, you can download the app from this place. So if you scroll down now, you're going to see different levels of earnings in this platform. As you can see the name of this platform here, and these are different levels of earning in this platform. So in this platform, you make money in different levels. So the higher the level, the higher the amount of money you are going to be making in each level. So if you look at this play, you see that it ranges from AI0 to AI10. So if you look at AI0, it's just registered. So get registered will be in AI0 and you'll be earning nothing in AI0. So in AI1, you see your investment amount is 8 USD to 87 USD, which means you can use 8 USD to start earning in this platform, and this is the minimum investment amount you can invest in this platform, and daily income is 1 to 17 USD. So your yield is just 20%. So if you use $8 to invest in this platform, you'll be earning 20% of $8 every day. So this is awesome, this is huge, and I'm going to show you how I do it every day in this platform. I'm going to show you the shortest way to make money in this platform. Just stay tuned. Let me show you what I do every day. Make withdrawals every day from this platform without stress, just free. And if you scroll down, you see that you can also make money from inviting your friends. In case if you want to copy your referral link, just come down here and copy your referral link. Come to team here. You see that each person you invite, you are going to earn 11% commission percentage of your friend deposits in this platform. So which means if you invite one person and the person deposit, you're going to earn 11% of that person's deposit, and you have a great chance of making a whole lot of money in this platform every day. So just stay with me now. Let me show you how I join this platform. So the first thing you need to do in this platform to get start withdrawing now is just to come straight to this place. When you come to team, like for me now, I'm going to unlock level 1 to show you how I do this every day. To unlock level 1, what you need to do is just come here to recharge. So you first of all recharge your wallet. So I will recharge my wallet with 8 USDT now, so as I can upgrade level 1, right? So I'm going to copy this wallet address now, send 8 USDT to this wallet address. So deposit only supported is TRX USDT. So minimum deposit 8 USDT. Please do not use non-TRX 20 asset to deposit. So I'm going to deposit 8 USDT to this wallet address now. So I'll copy this wallet now and go and transfer 8 USDT to this wallet address and come back and buy upgrade to level 1. So guys, I have deposited 8 USDT now to my wallet. As you can see it here, this is 8 USDT as my recharge balance. So next I'm going to do now is to come straight to quantify down here. So when I come to quantify, since I already have 8 USDT in my wallet now, I'm going to unlock level 1. So I'm already on level 1 now. So what I'm going to do is just to click on this place to start quantification. So once I click on it, you see quantification was successful and I've earned 1.6 USDT. So if you click on it again, the system is busy. So come here now. If you come to account, you see I've earned $1.6 now as total revenue, and this is 9.6, making my money $9.6. So I'm going to withdraw this 1.6 now. If I want to accumulate it, I can accumulate it, but if I want to be withdrawing every day, I'll be withdrawing every day. So I'm going to withdraw this $1.6 now straight to my exchange, my wallet address. So since I want to withdraw this money, I'm going to click on withdraw now. So once I click on withdraw, I'm going to see the amount I want to withdraw, which is $1.6. So withdraw amount, I'll put it here. So I'm going to put $1.6 here. So next I'm going to do is to select my withdrawal method. Select your withdrawal method. So add wallet address. I'm going to click on this place to add my wallet address. So I'll click on add. I'm going to put my wallet address in this place and put my withdrawal password here. So once I'm done, I'm click on submit success. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to add this now. Click on this and then go back. So this is my withdrawal method. So I've chosen my withdrawal method. I'm going to put my payment password in this place. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on withdraw. So I will click on confirm withdrawal. Successful. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to go to my exchange to check if this 1.6 USDT now has been deposited to my wallet address. Alright guys, you can see that I've just received this money now in my wallet. You can see 1.6 USDT now. So that's how you can withdraw your money from this platform straight to your wallet address. So you can just rush in and click on the link in the video and get registered and start making money for yourself every day. So don't forget to do your own research. Guys, I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research before you can invest in anything and make money online. Thanks guys for watching. See you in this video.